सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Basic Level, Exercise of Unit 11, Dictation Speed 50 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand Total Time 35 minutes. Ready, start. We are sorry to hear that for some time now the hand operated lathe you bought at our factory has failed to satisfy your requirements. Full stop. We have had a word with our marketing manager following your inquiry, and he quite accepts that under our manufacturer's guarantee, goods can be sent back without charge if they have failed at some time to do the job specified. Full stop. This would appear to be so in your case. Full stop. As you stated that you wished to have your money refunded and paid in at the National Bank, this could be arranged if it is possible for you to let us have your sales certificate immediately. Full stop. Let us know if you decide you wish the money to be paid out to you instead. Full stop. I think it is a good idea to get up to date catalogs and leaflets as soon as possible about automatic heating systems for the new factory, which is to be built on the outskirts of the state. Full stop. When these are received, I would like you to set out in a few words a summary of the benefits of the different systems with supporting evidence relating to the varying aspects. Full stop. Following this, we would invite estimates of cost and at the same time comma get a forecast of when the goods could be installed if we decided to go ahead, full stop, could you have this carried out ready for when I get back on Wednesday? Question mark. The factory manager, comma, in a report submitted to the board, comma, noted that most satisfactory results appeared to be indicated for the year under review, full stop. He felt that they would be delighted that, comma, because of the healthy state of national affairs, comma, both home and export markets had enjoyed good sales, comma, as could be seen on the sheet attached to the agenda, full stop. An entirely new policy was operating which ensured that the sales department could be relied on to give immediate attention to any bad debts which might have existed in the past. Stop rating, please.